Want to unlock more content on your Samsung TV by adding the Downloader app? Here's what you need to know. First, it's important to understand that Samsung Smart TVs use the Tizen operating system, not Android. This means you cannot find or install the Downloader app from the Samsung App Store. Because of this limitation, you have to main options to get Downloader on your TV. The most reliable method is to use an external streaming device. Simply plug an Android TV device, like a Chromecast with Google TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick, into your TV's HDMI port. You can then easily install the Downloader app directly from that device's app store. The second method is to use screen mirroring. If you have the Downloader app on an Android phone, you can use your Samsung TV's Smart View feature to mirror your phone's screen and use the app that way. Choose the method that works best for your setup. Once connected, you can use the Downloader app to explore and install new content on your television.